If you have squeaks on your laminate floor like this, there are 3 reasons why it's squeaky. First of all, it's not really good leveling, and second, it's not expensive material, and third one, something in your lock and laminate not connect properly why it's squeaky. Now I show you how to fix it. It's not big trouble. So need to find exactly where it's squeak. Need knife and need glue, tone and groove glue. Not like wood glue, because wood glue it's not flexible. This is very flexible, and this glue expanded. Just take the knife and make hole to the bottom of lock system. You have to make 2 or 3 because glue should be come out through the groove, and put glue, and then push it down. It's come down and up, and glue come to the lock. Take the glue and push it down. Doing it one more time. And when you finish this part, it's always happened on this joints. Make 2 holes here and put to the joints too. It's 100% work. Kan ik het niet doen. So that's it. Just clean it up and leave it by tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we will check how it's work. 12 hours later, glue is dry and we can check sound. No sound, so we fix it. Job is done.
You